So in this video I'm going to do first impressions on the new cable I have for the PRXs. So here they are, and I've got the new cable. The previous one was very nice, but it's a bit heavy, so I got this one. Okay, let me just get this out. So this is also a balanced cable. Now this is a company that I've not come across. I think they're brand new in the audio market, so they've only got like a few cables. So this is much lighter. So let me get the stock cable out over here. So here's the stock cable. I think it's actually about the same, so that's pretty nice. Now as far as the quality goes, I think it might be the same as the stock cable, but this is a balanced connection, so you get more power this way. So I'm assuming at least there might be a sound difference from there because there's more power, it's gonna sound more open. So let's go ahead and plug it in, and you know, it's a balanced cable. So QDC connector, it says L on that side over there, you can see, and R, so that's pretty nice. I do like this more than the others. It's very laid out, very straightforward. And there we go, and you have the right channel here. Okay, let me go ahead and put these on, and I'll test them as well. This is very slim. It's a very small cable. It's very flexible as well. So let's go ahead and put these on and have a listen. So the label is on the inside of the in-ear monitors. So there's the left and there's the right. Ta-da! Let's go ahead and just listen to normal things, and then I'll give you first impressions. It's a very light cable, and okay, sounds like toss. Okay, I'm gonna actually compare it with the stock cable. I think it might be the same sound because the specs are the same, but this is a balanced cable, and it does have more power going up to it. So let's go ahead and switch to that one. Okay, I'm actually quite happy with that. That's a big difference in the sound. Initially I just went straight to it, so I couldn't tell the difference between the two, but there's a big difference in compared to the stock cable to this one. This one is much improved. It's a lot more vibrant. The sound stage is a little bit bigger, but it sounds a lot cleaner. Like it sounds a lot more clear. Might just be because it's balanced, but I'm not sure actually. The volume is about the same, so that's a bit interesting. I don't know if the some sort of loss of power going to it or something, because the volume is about the same as the single-ended stock cable, but the sound quality is much better. The bass does go lower, the highs do go, they are more open sounding, and okay, it's just definitely an improvement over the stock cable. So I do recommend it. It's about £7, so something. I got this mainly because of the balance connector. This is an option, and also because this is a very light cable. It's actually better than the stock cable, so that's pretty nice. I actually like that a lot. That's very nice, definitely worth it. I think I'll be sticking with this one. Now as far as the sound quality goes, it's not as good as the trusted cable. That's 3 times the price or something, so you know, that's much high quality, but it becomes unusable when they don't stick in your ear. This one is very light. I think it's gonna work out well, so I do recommend it. It's a very good cable. The cable company, showing you it. So this is it. This is the one. It's the Koceta IEM cable, silver plated OCC copper upgrade. I'm assuming the materials are the same as the stock cable, so you know, but the sound quality is definitely much better. It's definitely much better over the stock cable. So this is it. If you want to pick it up, go find it on AliExpress. That's the company name, Koceta, I think that's it called. So if you do have any questions about this, ask me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in another video.